Hey guys! In today's video, I want to show you how I make chicken in the air fryer. So I have been living here in Bali for the past 3.5 years now, and one of my favorite things is that there's just so much choice in terms of food, but sometimes I just want to cook at home, and also it's quite tempting to not pick the healthiest choice. So I recently got a new air fryer, and one of my favorite things about air fryer is that you don't need a kitchen and you can still cook really yummy healthy food. So today I will show you how I marinate my chicken, and I will show you how long I put it in the air fryer for and all that. So if you're interested, keep watching. So for today's recipe, you will need 4 chicken thighs, 4 cloves of garlic, onion powder, salt, garam masala, smoked paprika, black pepper, bay leaf, cut them in small pieces, the bay leaf, olive oil, just a little bit, and then you just mix everything very well. And when you're ready, leave it in the container, cover it, and put it back in the fridge for at least 1 hour, but the longer the better. So now the chicken has been in the fridge for 1 hour. I moved it from the fridge and we're going to put it in the air fryer now. So plug in your air fryer and turn it on and put it at 180 degrees for 12 minutes. Once your chicken is ready, your air fryer will beep, so you'll have to remove it and flip the chicken upside down, put it back in for another 12 minutes at 180 degrees. So while I'm waiting for the chicken to be cooked, I'm just going to show you the sunset outside of my window. Alright, so that's your final beep. So we're going to remove the chicken and cut a little bit into it to see if it's really cooked. So good. Succulent, juicy, crispy at the top where the skin is, but the inside is like juicy. Very good. Alright you guys, I hope you liked today's video, and let me know if you try it and if it goes well for you.